Are you this guy? This one? Okay. I'll take a cab. Hi. I need to go to Best Western Waterfront. Okay. Oh, I do a lot of editing, so don't worry. Well, you have the music. The train, this VIA train is so slow.
Too late today. Like mostly it's late for 1 hour, half an hour.
We're supposed to be here 3:45.
Yeah, but it never comes. Like it's never been on time here.
That's
this train, yeah.
Not good.
Always late.
So, but they give us 50%.
50% discount for next ride?
Yeah. So I'll be back.
To use your 50%? Okay.
I'll take that. So what do we have here? What is this factory?
This one?
Yeah.
This is like the beer, the wine.
Beer?
Yeah.
Wow. It's big. Oh, oh, JP. Weiser. Oh, interesting. It's smelly, eh?
Yeah, it's smelly here.
Smelly. And this building, what is this one? Oh, that's the club, Canadian Club whiskey. I see. This is amazing. I love it. Oh, I love it.
is like almost like
Oh,
a
Caesar.
Caesars.
Oh, like Vegas.
Yeah.
Oh.
So normally 5 to 6 minutes walk around the room.
This is cool. I love it. Nice. The water. Like choosing. And it's walkable from the train station.
Yeah,
It's a walkable, eh?
you walk.
I walk. The
You walk a lot.
best steps I had, step count 62,700. Took me 2.5 hours. No, that was a full day. Yeah. Oh, there's this ferry. I think. We'll do that. We'll do a ferry boat ride. I got my train today, 11:30 a.m. till now. A whole day on the train. Oh, I was recording everything. Neato. Cool. Look at that. Right? Okay. Let's go to the room. Have the map. Oh, yeah. Look at that amazing view. Perfect. Oh my gosh, lovely. So here we have 2 queen-size beds, very comfortable, a good-sized TV, and it was good to catch up on the local news since I don't have a TV or cable at home, so it's good to watch TV for a change. So it's good to have coffee available, coffee and decaf, green tea, and just checking out the washroom. A little dated, but it was spacious, I guess. Typical hotel soap that dries your skin out. I wanted to take a bath that night and I couldn't because the plug didn't go down, so I took a shower instead and it was just fine. I didn't get a chance to check out the pool and fitness room. Perhaps next time I visit Windsor again, I will stay here at Best Western Plus Waterfront Hotel, and I will stay longer and get a chance to have a workout, and not so much of a swim because I don't know how to swim, but at least I can go in the shallow end and kick around. And there's the hotel I'm staying at, the Best Western Waterfront on Riverside in Windsor, Ontario. Somewhere up there on the 13th floor. I'm not even sure which one. Not bad. Not bad hotel at all. Okay, I am new to traveling and staying at hotels. Enjoy this blooper and have a good laugh. What's going on? How come it's not taking me up here? It's not going up to my floor. What floor are you going 13. On? Me too.
It doesn't want to work.
I don't think it's not going up. Okay, I'm gonna go to the front desk. Weird. Unless we send that to, it's gonna open again. It's gonna open again. We should send it to another floor. Yeah, it doesn't look like it either. All right. Hi. Sorry. Excuse me. It won't take us up to 13. Oh, scan. Got to scan the card. Okay, I don't do this often. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, simple things.
I don't travel. I don't.
13? 11.
Duh. But back in the day, you never.
You got to scan your
Oh
card
my god.
and then hit 11.
Oh my gosh.
I forgot about scanning.
Oh, that never used to, right? I guess. I get it, but not. I don't get it at the same time.
That's probably most things.
Did you press your 11? What? It's not.
That's 11 there.
Oh, okay. Oh my gosh.
Get tomorrow. We're here for vacation.
Oh yeah.
From the Thunder Bay area.
Oh, me too. I'm from Toronto. I don't get out of the city often, but this won't be the last anyway. Where am I going?
3.
Okay.
Have fun in here.
Yes, you too. Where am I going?
Okay, now I'm done. 1301 to 1302.
How do they? Oh, here I am. So check out my main channel, Out and About with yours truly, Lizzo C, and all my other channels. So check out the ASMR VIARail train ride from Toronto to Windsor. And look out for the next video after that, exploring Windsor, Ontario, the beautiful riverfront, and the amazing skyline of Detroit. Also the downtown street, the history and heritage of Windsor, Ontario. Check out What's Cooking with Lizzo C. I will have a few food reviews from Windsor, Ontario.